Srivastav teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT chapter 6 triangle exercise 6.6 optional. In this question number 1 is given in this figure PQR and PS is the bisector of angle P and QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon PR. You want to prove this. It is a bisector of this angle. It is called the bisector theorem. For the proof of this theorem you will use the construction. In the construction, first of all, given to prove, draw RT parallel to PS meets produced QP at T. So, proof in triangle, this big triangle TQR, in triangle TQR, PS is parallel to PR. Therefore, by BPT, we will get QP upon PT is equal to QS upon SR. In the figure, because PS is the bisector, only you want to prove this here. What is not there? PR is not there. Here PR is replaced by PT. So we want to prove it. So first of all you see, because it is parallel, so it will be a transversal 1 equal to 3. Pair of corresponding angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle pair of alternate interior angles. So you will get by 1 is equal to 2 given, 1 equal to 3, 2 equal to 4, it means 3 and 4 will be equal. By these 3 you are getting angle 3 equal to angle 4. If angle 3 is equal to angle 4, then PR is equal to PT. Where is the PR? PR is equal to PT. You are getting this triangle. By this angle 3 and angle 4 you are getting here, it means these two will be equal. PR and PT. PR is equal to PT, angle 3 equal to angle 4, opposite side of equal angle. So by first and second, replace the PT by PR, you will get your result. QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon PR. Question number 2 is here given. In the question number 2, this figure is given. Angle AC is the hypotenuse AC, means angle B is 90 degree. BD is perpendicular on it. DM is perpendicular on it, DN is perpendicular on it. You want to prove these two. DM square is equal to CN into DN and DN square is equal to AN into BM. Like this, DM you want to prove. So for this proof, we will see the second. Very simple. What is there? First of all, you will see in the figure, it is given in triangle ABC, it is 90 degree. Given to prove, you write proof in triangle BDC. DM is perpendicular to this. It is a 90 degree and DM is perpendicular to BC. Angle VDC 90 because it is given. So, perpendicular from right vertex to the hypotenuse divide into similar triangle, it is you have already proved in the previous exercise. DM is on right vertex, perpendicular on hypotenuse, divide the triangle into similar triangles. So DM upon triangle DMC similar to triangle BMD. Triangle DMC similar to triangle BMD. So by CPST, DM upon BM is equal to MC upon MD. CPST cross multiply DM into DM, what will you get? DM square. DM square is equal to BM multiply by CM or MC. This triangle you have taken, perpendicular. So same thing we will apply because it is a 90 degree. Now you want in this triangle you want DN at the place of BM. DN you want. BM is DN you want. It means this is 90 degree, this is 90, this is 90 given. Here given angle DMB, DNB 90 degree. Angle MDN will be, because the three angles are 90 in a quadrilateral, then fourth angle will be also 90 by angle some property of quadrilateral. So you are getting BMBN is a rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. bm equal to dn and dm equal to bn. So replace the by second and first equation, bm is replaced by dn. bm is replaced by dn. You are getting, so by first and second you are getting bm equal to dn, dm equal to bn. By first and second you will write dm square is equal to dn into mc. First part is over. Second part, in the second part, this triangle you will take AD, which triangle? ADM. ADB we will take. ADB, DN perpendicular, angle D 90 degree, perpendicular on hypotenuse, divide in two triangles. So triangle AND similar to DNB. Ratios we will write down CPST. So DN square is equal to AN into NB. You want to change the BN. BN already you have proved here. BN is equal to, in this phrase, BN is equal to DM because it is a rectangle proved. So BN is equal to DM. At the place of this you write down DN square is equal to AN into DM. So it is the second part proved. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given in the book. In this figure, what is given? In this figure, angle ABC is 90 degree. Greater than 90 means obtuse angle. It is called obtuse angle theorem. AD perpendicular to this. Prove that AC square plus AB square equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. It is called obtuse angle theorem. So how will you prove it? We will take, because it is given in the question, it is given ABC, angle B is greater than 90, perpendicular will come outside. So you take a right triangle ADC. By applying Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. But DC is a part of DB plus BC whole square. Apply A plus B whole square, you will get AD square plus BD square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. But AD and BD gives in this triangle you are getting again 90. So by Pythagoras in this triangle, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square, and hence proved. You are getting same thing. Question number 4 is given. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, angle B is less than 90. Angle B is less than 90 degree. So AD is perpendicular to this, means acute angle theorem. It is called acute angle theorem. So which you want, that right triangle you will take. In triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. CD will be BC minus BD. CD will be BC minus BD whole square. So in triangle ADC, AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. CD will be BC minus BD whole square. So AD square plus BC square plus BD square minus 2BC into BD. So again this and this combined together, you will get by this triangle, you are getting ADB. AB square, AD square plus BD square gives you AB square, and BC square is given here already, and minus 2BC. It is the fourth question. Fifth question you will see, question number 5 is given here. In this 5 question, the combination of all. Question number 5, what is given? In the question number 5, this figure is given. In figure, AD is the median. Median means middle is the midpoint. Triangle ABC, AM perpendicular, in this it is also given. You want to prove AC square is equal to AD square plus DC into BC into MD, means this angle will be obtuse. You will apply like this. 2 more proof is given here. 3 proofs are here. So how will you get these 3 proofs? You will get here. First one, in triangle ADC, obtuse angle you will take. In triangle ADC, It is a obtuse angle theorem like a question number 3. So in triangle AMC I will take. AMC, apply this theorem Pythagoras. In triangle AMC, AC square is equal to AM square plus CM square. AC square is equal to AM square plus CM square. So CM square we will write. CM will be written as MD plus DC whole square. CM will be written MD plus CD whole square. AM square plus MD square, you write it at one place by applying A plus B whole square. So AM square plus MD square is AD square, so AC square is equal to AD square, but CD will be BC by 2 because D is the midpoint. CD is BC by 2 because D is the midpoint, median given. That's why it is BC by 2. That's why it is BC by 2. BC by 2 whole square, and DC will be BC by 2. 2 cancel. So you will write down, here I am writing at the place of CD BC by 2. So AC square plus AD square plus MD into BC plus BC by 2. Similarly in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, we will take the triangle ABD. This angle is obtuse, then it will be acute. Apply acute angle AB square you want in the proof. You want a AB square here. So apply in triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, what will you get? AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. And this BM will be BD minus MD whole square. BM is equal to BD minus MD whole square. So this is equal to this whole minus this square. So A plus minus B whole square apply. AM and DM at one place. AM and DM gives you AD square here. BD will be BC by 2. So you are getting this solution at the place of median. Because why median? Because AD is median. Because AD is median, that's why you are writing this. So like this you will get the solution. Okay. Third part, you adding these two. Adding first and second. You are getting 2AB AD square, because here AD and AD 2AD square plus MD BC square by 2. BC by 2 whole square. So what will you write? MD into BC, MD into BC. MD into BC you will get here. MD into BC will be cancelled, and 2AD square plus 2BC square by 4. 2 to the 4, and then you will get the BC square by 4. Like this you will get your solution. The rest part I will tell you in the next video. Thanks.